And I'm glad you found that little sponge. You usually use a big sponge, but that works too, I see.
Yeah, you get, in the corners, just wipe it real good.
Yeah.
Because we're putting on a little heavier texture, a lot of these will be fine because of the fact that we're going a little heavier. Now, if you're using real smooth texture, then everything would have to be perfectly smooth.
Right.
No indentations, gouges, or... But because we're doing a little heavier texture to try to match the old school stuff.
That was a good idea you had of just using the sponge instead of the sanding pole.
Yeah, eliminate...
Or a little sanding pad or whatever.
Eliminate sanding dust.
Yeah, I like that.
Dust from sanding.
Well, and this already had a skim. They've floated out the existing spray texture walls before they put the wallpaper on years ago.
Yeah,
but then there were all kinds of patches on there. So, and then I just put a tight skim on everything. So any lines you see should just be really thin lines from my
very much so. Yeah, it's a very good surface to texture over. Nice and smooth. No holes which stand out on a texture. Redoing an old wall, any existing holes, dents, dings, whatnot, really stand out even when you're texturing the wall, because it's not a normal surface. It's a hole, dent, anything like that. It doesn't look like it's supposed to be there.
Right.
So when it's all prepped good, and you have everything a sound surface, all your prep work will definitely show up in the final finish when the sealer goes on, and then when the paint goes on, it'll have a nice finish like there was never wallpaper or any type of imperfection.
Yeah. Yeah, because I could have left everything and just done a couple once over on just a few different areas, but I thought, shoot, they already have it skimmed out.
Yeah.
But they only put one coat over the existing spray texture, and after it dried, you could see where all the imperfections were and dimples and stuff. Yeah, take that out. She put that in just at the end.
See that? Everything, yeah.
And so I figured I might as well just put a tight skim over everything. To kind of help out.
Yeah, definitely. And you catch the edges so there's no really burrs and the edges are in the corners of the windows. See those are all nice and smooth, because you don't want anything sticking out where when you go to trowel, you don't want any existing hard stuff to get in your trowel when you're flattening off the texture.
Right.
Because it'll leave a scratch mark.
Yeah, well that's, around these windows they had them caulked in over the wallpaper, so when I took that out, the caulking was there all the way around the window, so I cleaned that all off so that you had a nice clean edge there. What do you think?
Yeah, nice clean edge, yeah. Because anytime you're dealing with previous wallpapered walls, definitely have to get them quite nicely smooth, so very good.
Yeah, I also, right here where that window joint is, that post, it was leaking water. So when you get ready to paint, that whole area there, you're going to have to put some sort of stain blocker sealer.
Yeah, and actually I just used the Kills product on small areas, but it will have a PVA sealer on the entire wall after I texture, because when we're putting the finish on, you have to have a sealer on it in order for your whatever your sheen's going to be, for it to look uniform finish on the wall. Otherwise you'll have kind of blotchy, dull here, shiny here. But let's real quick just put a little bit on the existing where it had a few water stains, and this seals it off real quick. Just added sealer to it because it had a little water stain there, so I think we're good there.
Here, there's some over there on the left. But are you going to do any more of that it kind of went down below the window stool too. I noticed before.
Here?
Yeah. Just in the corner.
Yeah, that's usually where you'll get some stains from water leaking from the window. Maybe a bad seal or something on the exterior. But this product takes care of that. And even water stains anywhere really. So, yeah, I think we're looking pretty good there.
Okay.
So,